1. 1951 Henry J2DR Blue. Price, $48,000, located Lake Havasu City, Arizona. This 1951 Henry J. Pro Street is a serious performance machine that combines classic American compact car styling with the aggressive attitude of a professionally built street and strip car. Finished in an attractive blue exterior with a gray interior, this custom Henry J stands out wherever it appears. With only approximately 300 miles reported, the vehicle has seen very limited use and remains a highly desirable option for collectors and performance enthusiasts alike. Under the hood is a powerful 472 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine equipped with an impressive 871 supercharger setup. The engine is supported by a turbo automatic transmission and a durable Ford 9-inch rear end, creating a drivetrain combination capable of handling substantial horsepower. Additional performance components include a complete MSD ignition system and numerous upgrades that contribute to the vehicle's strong performance capabilities. According to the seller, the car is loaded with features and modifications beyond those specifically listed. The vehicle carries a clean title and is described as being in excellent condition throughout. Combining classic Henry J styling, supercharged big block power, and pro street performance, this custom build offers an exciting opportunity for anyone seeking a unique and powerful American hot rod. 2. 1947 Dodge Business Coupe Pro Street. Price, $14,500, located Buffalo, New York. This 1947 Dodge Business Coupe Pro Street is a classic post-war custom built to deliver big block performance and aggressive street presence. Finished in bright orange with a black interior, the coupe has a bold appearance that immediately attracts attention at cruise nights, car shows, and local automotive events. With fewer than 500 miles reported since completion, the vehicle remains a fresh build ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. Power comes from a legendary 440 cubic inch Mopar big block V8 paired with a durable 727 automatic transmission. This proven combination provides impressive torque, strong acceleration, and the unmistakable sound that Mopar enthusiasts appreciate. The vehicle rides on a custom chassis specifically designed to support the performance-oriented drivetrain and pro street stance. Large Mickey Thompson rear street tires help maximize traction while adding to the car's aggressive appearance. According to the seller, both the engine and vehicle have accumulated less than 500 miles since being built. With a clean title, custom construction, and powerful Mopar drivetrain, this 1947 Dodge Business Coupe offers a unique blend of classic styling and serious street machine performance. 3. 1966 Ford Falcon Pro Street. Price, $25,000, located Hinsdale, Massachusetts. This 1966 Ford Falcon Pro Street is a truly unique custom build that blends classic compact Ford styling with modern performance technology. Extensively modified and professionally assembled, the car offers a combination of comfort, power, and show-quality craftsmanship. The seller describes it as a one-of-a-kind vehicle supported by extensive documentation and receipts from the build process. Power comes from a modern Coyote V8 engine sourced from a 2017 Ford Mustang, delivering impressive horsepower and reliability. The engine is paired with a T5 manual transmission that provides an engaging driving experience. Additional chassis upgrades include a Mustang 2 front suspension, narrowed rear end, 4-link rear suspension, coilover shocks, and a heavy-duty rear axle equipped with a spool and aggressive gearing. The interior is equally impressive, featuring custom leather upholstery with genuine alligator inserts, power windows, and vintage air conditioning. Weld wheels complete the aggressive pro street appearance while maintaining excellent road manners. Combining modern Ford performance, luxury interior appointments, and classic Falcon styling, this custom build offers an exceptional opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a distinctive and highly upgraded street machine. 4. 1970 Chevrolet El Camino. Price, $40,000, located Apple Valley, California. This 1970 Chevrolet El Camino is a powerful pro street build that combines the practicality of a pickup with the performance of a dedicated muscle car. Finished in bright orange with a black interior, the vehicle delivers an aggressive appearance that perfectly matches its impressive performance capabilities. With approximately 500 miles reported, this custom build remains a standout among modified El Caminos. Under the hood is a massive blown 540 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine producing an estimated 1,000 horsepower. The engine is paired with a 2-speed PowerGlide automatic transmission and a narrow 12-bolt rear axle designed to handle substantial power. This drivetrain combination creates a vehicle capable of delivering extreme acceleration while remaining street legal, according to the seller. Additional features include Mickey Thompson performance tires and wheels, helping transfer power effectively to the pavement. The clean body and custom setup make this El Camino equally suitable for local car shows, cruise nights, and weekend driving. Combining classic Chevrolet styling, supercharged big block power, and pro street engineering, this 1970 El Camino represents a serious performance machine built to attract attention wherever it goes. 5. 1973 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $10,000, located San Diego, California. This 1973 Chevrolet Vega Pro Street is an affordable performance-oriented classic that offers V8 power in a lightweight and highly responsive package. Finished in red with a black interior, the vehicle delivers a sporty appearance while maintaining the compact dimensions that made the Vega popular among drag racing enthusiasts. For buyers seeking an entry-level pro street project, this Vega presents an attractive opportunity. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with a solid roller camshaft and dark Pro 1-cylinder heads featuring 200 cubic centimeters intake runners. The engine is paired with a 2-speed PowerGlide automatic transmission, a proven choice for both street and drag racing applications. Additional performance features include a line lock system for improved launch preparation. The rear section has been mini-tubbed to accommodate wider tires and improve traction. A strengthened 10-bolt rear axle with C-clip eliminators adds durability and reliability under hard acceleration. The seller also notes that the vehicle has recently received new front tires. Combining lightweight construction, V8 performance, and classic pro street styling, this 1973 Vega offers a fun and exciting driving experience at an affordable price. 6. 1968 Chevrolet C10 Pro Street Stepside. Price, $45,000, located Townsend, Delaware. This 1968 Chevrolet C10 Pro Street Stepside is a custom-built performance truck that combines iconic Chevrolet pickup styling with serious big block power. Featuring the highly desirable stepside body design, the truck delivers a classic appearance while incorporating substantial performance upgrades throughout the drivetrain and chassis. The overall presentation makes it equally suitable for shows, cruise nights, and weekend driving. Power comes from a massive 572 cubic inch Butler-built engine designed to produce exceptional horsepower and torque. The engine is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, a proven heavy-duty unit capable of handling substantial power output. At the rear, aggressive 4.88 gearing helps maximize acceleration and overall performance. The truck has been built with a strong pro street influence, giving it a muscular stance and commanding road presence. According to the seller, the vehicle remains in excellent condition and is available for inspection by serious buyers. The combination of a large displacement big block engine, durable transmission, and classic stepside styling creates a highly desirable package. This 1968 Chevrolet C10 offers collectors and enthusiasts an exciting blend of vintage truck character and modern high-performance capability. 7. 1971 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $29,500, located Shikshini, Pennsylvania. This 1971 Chevrolet Camaro is a well-built muscle car that combines classic second-generation Camaro styling with impressive big block performance. Finished with a black interior and numerous recent upgrades, the vehicle presents as a strong street machine designed for enthusiasts who appreciate both appearance and power. According to the seller, many major components have been recently replaced or refreshed. Under the hood is a powerful 496 cubic inch Chevrolet big block V8 paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission featuring a reverse pattern valve body. The drivetrain is supported by a 12-bolt rear axle, providing the durability needed for high-performance driving. Numerous mechanical improvements have been completed, including upgrades to both the engine and transmission. Additional enhancements include new tires, new wheels, a fiberglass performance hood, a 3-inch exhaust system, refreshed suspension components, new weather seals, a new windshield, updated gauges, a new shifter, replacement seatbelts, and various interior improvements. The seller estimates approximately 100 miles since much of the recent work was completed. This 1971 Camaro offers classic muscle car appeal combined with substantial performance upgrades and fresh components throughout. 8. 1973 Firebird drag car. Price, $10,000, located Lebanon, Maine. This 1973 Firebird drag car is a purpose-built racing chassis designed for enthusiasts looking to complete a serious strip-focused project. Built with performance and safety in mind, the vehicle has been extensively modified and prepared for big block Chevrolet power and Powerglide transmission applications. Its lightweight construction and competition-oriented components make it an excellent foundation for a dedicated drag racing machine. The car features a current 8.50 certification and is equipped with a Dana 60 rear axle assembly. Included are both 3.73 and 4.11 gear sets mounted on spools, allowing the future owner to tailor the setup to specific racing needs. The rear suspension utilizes a 4-link system with adjustable coilover shocks, while the front suspension incorporates adjustable struts for fine-tuning track performance. Additional equipment includes 4-wheel disc brakes, parachute mounting, fire suppression equipment, complete brake and fuel plumbing, and wiring already installed throughout the vehicle. The chassis has been both back-halved and front-halved to maximize strength and performance. This 1973 Firebird represents a solid opportunity for racers seeking a professionally prepared drag car platform. 9. 1956 Ford F-100 Pro Street Pickup. Price, $50,000, located Cartersville, Virginia. This 1956 Ford F-100 Pro Street Pickup is a beautifully built custom truck that combines classic Ford styling with modern comfort and dependable V8 performance. The truck has been carefully constructed as both a show vehicle and a fun driver, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts who want a vehicle that performs well while attracting attention wherever it goes. Power comes from a Ford 351 Windsor small block V8 engine, a respected power plant known for its durability, strong torque, and excellent aftermarket support. The drivetrain has been designed to provide reliable cruising characteristics while maintaining the aggressive personality expected from a pro street build. According to the seller, the truck has accumulated fewer than 5,000 miles since completion. One of the most desirable features is the inclusion of air conditioning, providing added comfort during warm weather cruising and long-distance events. The truck presents as a clean, well-maintained build that has been cared for throughout its life. Combining classic pickup styling, modern drivability, and proven Ford the 5.8 performance, this 1956 Ford F-100 Pro Street offers an outstanding package for collectors and hot rod enthusiasts alike. 10. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Drag Car. Price, $20,500, located Saxton, Pennsylvania. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 drag car is a race-ready machine built for serious bracket racing and competitive track performance. Finished with fresh paint and supported by extensive documentation, the vehicle has been carefully assembled using proven racing components throughout the drivetrain and chassis. According to the seller, the car is fully prepared and ready to compete immediately. Power comes from a 478 cubic inch Chevrolet big block V8 equipped with Brodix cylinder heads and a Ron's alcohol injection system with gas primer. The engine is paired with a Powerglide transmission and an electric shifter, creating a combination widely respected among drag racers for consistency and durability. A Ford 9-inch rear axle with 4.30 gears helps maximize acceleration and performance. Additional upgrades include a 16-volt electrical system, new racing harnesses, a new delay box, a new parachute, and a recently replaced ignition coil. The seller reports performance in the 6-second range during summer conditions and even quicker times in favorable weather. This Camaro offers a complete package for racers seeking a competitive and professionally prepared drag car. 11. 1987 Monte Carlo SS Race Car. Price, $16,500, located Holbrook, New York. This 1987 Monte Carlo SS race car is a dedicated competition vehicle built with an emphasis on safety, durability, and consistent drag strip performance. Designed around a professionally prepared chassis, the car offers an impressive collection of racing components that make it an attractive option for racers looking to enter competition without starting a build from scratch. The vehicle features a 10-point roll cage and a 4-link rear suspension system designed to improve traction and stability during hard launches. A Ford 9-inch rear axle fitted with strange axles works alongside Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes to provide durability and reliable stopping power. Large racing slicks, removable steering wheel, and brand new racing harnesses further enhance the car's track-focused design. Power comes from a freshly rebuilt 498 cubic inch engine equipped with Brodix cylinder heads and backed by a turbo 400 automatic transmission featuring an ultra bell housing. According to the seller, the car has not been raced since the engine installation. The vehicle also includes a title and VIN, making ownership straightforward. This Monte Carlo represents a strong value for serious racing enthusiasts. 12. 1968 Pontiac GTO race car. Price, $22,000, located Milan, Michigan. This 1968 Pontiac GTO race car is a highly specialized drag racing chassis engineered for competitive performance and lightweight efficiency. Featuring a steel roof and quarter panels combined with extensive weight-saving modifications, the car reportedly weighs approximately 2,270 pounds, making it a serious platform for high-performance racing applications. The vehicle is being offered as a roller and presents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a professionally developed race car. The chassis incorporates carbon fiber tubs, floor panels, and trunk components to reduce weight while maintaining strength. Additional racing equipment includes stainless steel headers, an engine containment system, onboard air system, onboard battery charger, and dual lightweight lithium batteries. The starting system operates on 24 volts, enhancing reliability during competition. The front suspension was updated with new struts and front-end components, and the car includes a digital delay box with integrated switch panel. It is currently configured for fast electronic fuel injection systems. According to the seller, the chassis has recorded impressive eighth-mile performance numbers exceeding 130 miles per hour. This 1968 GTO offers a highly developed foundation for serious drag racing competition.